Samsung is set for an action-packed summer, keeping up with its tradition of launching two flagship series every year. Following the successful release of the Galaxy S25 earlier this year, the tech giant is now gearing up to unveil its next generation of foldables, the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. But Samsung isn't stopping there. The company is also refreshing its premium tablet lineup with two new models, the Galaxy Tab S11 and Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, promising powerful upgrades and enhanced user experiences. Samsung's tablet strategy, a shift in release timing? While Samsung's new foldables are expected to make their debut soon, reports suggest that the Galaxy Tab S11 series may arrive later. Historically, Samsung has launched its high-end tablets in the fall, so a delayed release wouldn't be surprising. Interestingly, unlike last year's Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, Samsung has streamlined its lineup this time, opting for just two models, the Galaxy Tab S11 making a strong comeback after a brief hiatus, and the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra continuing the premium Ultra tradition introduced in 2022. Next-gen performance, Dimensity 9400 takes the lead. Leaks indicate that Samsung is making a bold move by equipping both tablets with MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 chipset, a flagship processor engineered for superior speed, efficiency, and AI-driven performance. This shift marks a departure from past Snapdragon-powered Galaxy Tab Ultra models, signaling Samsung's confidence in MediaTek's latest innovation. Battery boost, Samsung's Ultra series gets an upgrade. For the first time, Samsung is increasing the battery capacity of its Ultra tablets, a significant change from previous models. Ever since the introduction of the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, the company has consistently featured an 11,200 mAh battery in its high-end tablets. However, the upcoming Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra will reportedly pack an even bigger 11,700 to 12,000 mAh battery, promising extended usage and improved power efficiency. While Samsung has yet to confirm the exact capacity, leaks suggest a rated 11,374 mAh battery, an upgrade from the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra's 10,880 mAh. Even though the increase may seem minor, this signals Samsung's intention to push for better battery performance in future tablet generations. What's next for Samsung? Samsung's summer lineup is shaping up to be one of its most exciting yet. With foldables and tablets bringing cutting-edge features, this year's releases could further solidify Samsung's dominance in the premium mobile and tablet market. With more leaks expected in the coming weeks, fans are eagerly awaiting official announcements. Will Samsung introduce new accessories alongside its foldables and tablets? Will the Galaxy Z Flip 7 sport a bigger cover screen or advanced AI-driven functionalities? Only time will tell.